Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Taking video or picture of someone without their consent, especially in a private setting, it is not just disrespectful, but it has a serious consequences and a violation of rights under our law. Tara, let's talk about this. In our daily lives, like in our school, workplace, or public spaces, there are moments when people record or take pictures without asking permission, while others may think it's harmless, but our law recognizes your image and your privacy deserves protection. Let me be clear, dili ra ang person na nag-hold sa camera or nag-record sa video ang liable, but also for those people who manage, who instruct, or order sa pag-record or pag-take sa private pictures are also liable under our law. So, sa mga possible laws na pwede nila ma-violate? Number one is ang Republic Act 10173 or the Data Privacy Act. The law states that unauthorized collection or processing of personal data, which includes videos and images, can result in fine and imprisonment. Second is our Civil Code, Article 26, that protects dignity and privacy. Ingon dito, any act that intrudes on someone's private life can lead to damages. And third is in the violation of Republic Act 10175 or the Cybercrime Prevention Act. It penalizes voyeurism or online exploitation and or malicious sharing, labi na share sa social media. So, unsay mga liabilities sa mga participants na ningbuhat sa private recording? Number one, ang katong yung nag-record, siya may gitawag as principal. Siya main liable gyud sa violation. And katong mga kaberks niya, iyang gisharean, iyang naking marites niya o nagapil-apil, considered to sila as the accomplice. And katong mang nagsugo, treated to siya as principal. So pareha sa violation or penalty sa record kaya siya may kasugo. If you think you can just secretly record, humiliate, make sumbong-sumbong or libak-libak for the person na imuhang secretly record, timan ang balaod dili mo tolerate ana. Ang biktima pwede ka file a complaint and of course the authority can make actions against you. Gatuo kag harmless na siya but the law is clear. Pwede ka ma-accountable and liable sa imuhang ibuhat. So respect boundaries, ask permission because protecting privacy is not optional. It is mandatory. If you cross the line, be prepared to face the consequences. This has been Attorney Ken Ruibe Marsado saying, let's continue to empower our community with knowledge, dignity, and justice. So if you want to learn more videos about Philippine and educational laws, please follow, like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.